professional dryer vent cleaning in Vancouver, Lower Mainland. At MASDUCT, we specialize in delivering exceptional dryer vent and air duct cleaning services specifically tailored for strata properties and rental buildings. Our team is skilled in providing scalable maintenance solutions that keep your building's air conveyance systems up to industry standards while effectively managing costs. Our service is dryer duct cleaning. For multi-unit buildings, we conduct comprehensive cleaning of both interior and exterior dryer ducts to eliminate lint, debris, and blockages like bird nests. This not only ensures optimal functioning, but also minimizes fire risks. Our services are thorough yet cost-effective, keeping your dryer vents in top condition. Efficient airflow is the goal, but sometimes a curved venting construction requires a quality booster fan system installed. High-rise air duct cleaning. Our specialized high-angle cleaning services are perfect for high-rise buildings. Performed by trained technicians using rope access, risk assessment, and a fall protection plan ensures the highest safety standards. HVAC system cleaning. Maintaining HVAC systems is crucial for air quality and ventilation efficiency in your building. We focus on cleaning hallway pressurization air vents and other air duct functions used by the building. Our goal is to ensure that these systems operate effectively, thus improving indoor air quality and performance. Why choose MASDUCT? We back our work with a satisfaction guarantee and provide easy access to follow-up services and inquiries. Our approach ensures that your property's dryer and air duct systems are not only maintained, but are optimized for safety and efficiency. Contact us for dryer vent cleaning in Vancouver and Lower Mainland. For professional and dependable dryer vent cleaning in Vancouver and Lower Mainland, turn to our team. Contact us today at 604-589-2553 for a free quote. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with top-notch service.